The first Korean food I had was kimchi about 10 years ago, and I did not like it. It wasn't until I had kimchi fried rice with pork belly that I finally realized I loved Korean food. Now, I have a Korean kitchen and make my very own kimchi every month. In Southeast Asian cuisine, we do not have traditional dumplings or mandu. I find having easily accessible mandu like Bibigo's mini is quite convenient for me since I'm not so good at forming these shapes. In recent years, the Korean industry has popped up everywhere in America, from the Korean face mask I use twice a week to help my acne scars, to hearing K-pop music play on the radio, and of course, the easily accessible food in the grocery stores. I started incorporating Korean food into my daily meals and even learned how to cook it from my YouTube Korean mom, Maangchi. I don't see the need to spend so much money at the restaurant when I can just make my own Korean barbecue or Tteokbokki at home, invite the people I love most over, and enjoy my meals. Or enjoying the spiciest ramen noodles and competing with my husband to see who will reach for the water first. Cooking has always been therapeutic and a great way for me to de-stress by using my creativity and sharing this love with others. Food knows no borders. Instead, it brings different cultures together even when spoken languages can't.